Hi, and welcome to module 5, sorry. So, in this module, we're going to find out what do you do next. So, what happens next? You've learned about the different things in the online space, different types of business models, the pros and the cons, advantages and disadvantages. So, where do you go from there? So, in module 5, we are going to cover option 1, and then there's an option 2, and we'll dive a little bit deeper into option 2. Right, so option 1 is fairly simple. It's the do it yourself way. You can do your own market research to see where there is a demand for a digital product. You can create that digital product by yourself using Canva. You can learn how to design a website and create a website from scratch, or you can start an online store like Beacons, or you can figure out how to market your product as well. How do you leverage social media to get attraction and get your digital product discovered so that you can make sales? This is doable, but it's very time consuming and it's risky because you're going to spend a week of your time creating a digital product, and if it does not sell, you would have lost all that time, and figuring out the marketing is going to be very hard, especially as a beginner. And then the second option is a done for you business with MMR. Just to refresh your memory, a done for you business with MRR is master resale rights, where you get everything that you need. Your product is already created for you. You invest in it once and you can resell it over and over and over again. And this is the exact business model that so many moms are using as complete beginners and winning in the online space. This is their secret. They do not create products from scratch. They literally launch their businesses within a couple of days. I took about 7 days with no tech headaches, no confusion, no guesswork, um, no sort of guessing what works and what is going to sell, no market research done. The product is already done for you. You don't have to create your own. Your professional website is built for you, optimized for conversion. So it will turn your leads into potential customers for you. That means no selling on your part. It will give you the mentorship, millionaire mentorship that you need, community guidance, support. If you struggling, you can just jump on a call with one of our trainers and they will be able to assist. And your automated system, your website or your online storefront will work for you 24/7 while you are sleeping, operating on a global scale. The hard work is already done. No skills. It's a quick setup and you can get your online business running within no time. You don't have to wait months for that to happen. So imagine learning to earn online from the comfort of your home without any tech skills, without any experience. Even if you're shy and introverted, I'm a shy and introverted person, and I started off doing this faceless. This isn't just about making money, it's about building freedom, it's about peace of mind, purpose. So whether you are a mom juggling a million things, or whether you are a professional looking to leave, or maybe you just need an extra stream of income, this is your way to earn in USD. If you're South African, you'll realize how valuable that is, without the grind. Work from home on your own terms and stop feeling guilty every time you spend a cent on yourself or on the kids, and build something that aligns with your families, your goals, with in less than half the time it will take to do this on your own. Right. So what would you need to start an online business with master resale rights? You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to know anything about the online space. You don't have to build your own website. You do not have to be an influencer. You don't have to have followers. You don't need to know much about social media. And you don't need to show your face. All you need is Wi Fi, a phone, a few hours, and the willingness to learn and the desire to succeed. If you have those things, you are ready to go. All right, so this is the most affordable business that you will ever find. There's no monthly expenses attached to this business. You get 100% profit each time you make a sale. There's no rent, no delivery, no customer service issues to deal with, no stock to take note of or inventory to see to, no running of ads. This program has four master resale rights products that you can sell as your own. You invest in it one time and you can resell it over and over and over and over again and keep 100% sales. Um, and in your second sale, you have literally gotten your investment back and you are in profit mode forever. So these are what the programs look like. There are four programs, and I'm going to break it down for you a little bit later on. All right. So what is it? It's a step-by-step program built for beginners and built to save you time. You don't need tech. You don't even need to be confident on video. It's a done for you digital system with a product that is in high value. High value mean you can sell it between $100 and $900, right? You won't be able to create this as a beginner. So this is already done for you. You get 100% profit, and people are looking for a way to make money online. So you have a product that people are already looking for. You have your website done for you that is going to do your telling and your selling for you. You don't have to do any of that. Your automation tools is going to reel in your customers and convert your leads into potential customers. It's going to deliver the product for you and deliver your profits into your PayPal account. How amazing isn't that? It's we going to be teaching you a proven attraction marketing strategy. Remember, we said the most powerful way of doing marketing is through attraction marketing. You're going to learn how to use social media the right way, posting of free ads. This method is perfect if you are shy and introverted. You get frameworks and templates to use and done for you faceless reels if you don't want to show your face, and avatar tools that you can use to create a avatar human to do videos for you, so you don't have to show your face. And then you get lifetime access not only to the program but to millionaire mentorship, community support, and interactive training. So if you need support, the community is there for you, and interactive training that you can just jump on a call and have your questions answered. Right. So, what is the product that you are going to sell, or the product that you are going to resell? All right. So, this is the product, the very same product that you are going to invest in. You're going to turn around and sell that same product. Right. This might seem strange, but there's so many business models that operate on the same type of model, right? It says all this time, for example, Avon, Shazin, Herbalife are just examples. You invest, you buy your package, your Shazin box with all the stuff in, you use it, you recommend it, and people purchase from you, you get a commission, right? The only difference here is this you get 100% profit and you invest in it once, all right? This business model is perfect for beginners because it takes out the risk. The risk is taken out because they have already done all the research and all the testing, the trial and error phase. They have done it already for you, so you are saving a year's worth of time trying to create your own product. You can learn and earn at the same time. So if you had to invest time in creating a product, that will put you 6 months behind, right? Once your system is up and running, you can literally start earning within 7 days, right? You don't need tech skills, you don't need to figure out anything, right? So this product is perfect, this business model is perfect for beginners, right? Okay, so how does this whole system work? All right, how does everything work? All right, so you are going to learn to create posts for social media. You're going to choose one platform, either TikTok, Faceless Reels for Insta, um, short form or long term form content for YouTube, and for Facebook posts. Right, you're going to choose one of the platforms and create one type of video, one type of content. Right, when people ask you for more information, you are going to send them to your landing page. That's the first step. All right, once they're on your landing page, they're going to put in the email and they are going to be put into your system. All right, Your website does the telling and the selling for you. So this is your website, step two, your product page and your website, right? This gives them all the information that they could possibly need or want. So you don't have to be on WhatsApp DMing people, WhatsApping people, calling people, giving them information. It's all here on your website, right? When people are ready to buy from you, they simply go to your payment page, make payment, and step four, you get your 100% profit. They get their um, program delivered instantly into their email boxes, right? For those people who don't buy immediately, your email marketing system will kick in. This is all done for you. Emails, it is done for you. It's part of your system that will direct them back to your products, remind them about you. We don't want it out of sight, out of mind. You are going to be there in the phones, popping up in the emails, reminding them of how they can also achieve a life of freedom for themselves. Some people buy immediately, others take a week, others take a month, but they are still in your system and they can at any time come back and purchase from you. I hope that makes sense. So this is how everything works. This is a bird eyes view. So you know how everything actually works. You show up on social media, send them to your website. Your website does the telling and selling and delivering of everything for you. And your email marketing does the follow up, right? Don't forget about what my offer is and so on. Then the next question that we usually get is timelines and daily activities. What will you have to do every single day? Right? What you're going to do every single day is three things. Post three simple pieces of content a day, whether it's Facebook posts, videos for TikTok, faceless reels for Insta. You're going to cut, paste, and post ads for 30 minutes. If you don't want to go live, this is what you're going to do. If you feel you want to go live, you're going to leave this out and go live, and respond to people's comments and send them to your sales system. That is the three things you're going to do on a daily basis. All right. Timelines. You do not have to wait 6 months to feel progress. You'll get up and running with your business within 7 days, on your time, at your pace. Um, and then you're going to learn and earn and scale. Your business is or runs on your time. You can follow a 1 hour workday, 2 hour workday, pockets in your day, depending on how fast you want to move and how fast you want to build. Will be the hours that you put in. So if you're working a 9 to 5, you don't have much time, you've got an hour to dedicate every day, you can do that. It will take a little bit longer to reach your goal, but you will reach your goal nevertheless. Right? And you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. And so if you can follow a recipe and a plan or the YouTube tutorial, you can follow this as well. Right. So now let's look at the four different programs that exists and how much they cost. What is the investment going to be, and what is your return on investment going to be? All right. So the first program is the Launchpad. All right, the first program is the Launchpad. It's $100. Right, it's going to teach you to launch your business in 7 days. It's going to give you a marketing plan for 7 days. It's going to teach you how to set everything up once. I mean, attract customers to your store using social media, right? How much you're going to earn each time you make a sale, each time someone buys from your website, you are going to make $100. That's 1,800 Rand. The investment is about 3,000 Rand. So, and let me just break this down for you. It's your program, your website fee, admin fee. That's also a one-time off. Your domain registration. This is your company name registration. Your email address and your protection will cost about $27, so that will come to about 3,000 Rand. I just need to make something clear that only the program and the website admin fee is purchased through the website. All right. Your company registration is not purchased through the website. All right. Okay. The next one is the daily passive pay blueprint. This is the $300 program. Right, you're going to get the Launchpad as well. You're going to learn everything in the Launchpad, and you're going to learn how to attract daily paying customers to your online store, how to build the irresistible brand. All right. You have two income streams: the income stream from the Launchpad, and the upgrade. People will upgrade with you from the launchpad to the daily passive pay, and some people will just buy the $300 program from you. So that's your income streams over there. This will cost you about 6,500 Rand, give or take, depending obviously on the currency exchange. So just please keep that in mind as well. The digital mastery, right? That includes the daily pay and the launchpad. So it includes program one and program two, right? This is going to teach you how to expand your business, how to use market psychology, how to create multiple streams of income, and how to attract consistent buyers, right? You're going to get 100% commission once again, three income streams of $100, $200, $300, and $600, right? This program will cost about 12,500 Rand. And then you get the entire Legacy Builders program that is going to teach you how to create your own digital product, your own course or program, teach you how to build a community, and leave a legacy basically. And this is four income streams. So you can obviously sell all four of these programs and get all four income streams, right? And this will cost about 17,500. Imagine paying only 17,500 for your own online business that is literally plug and play and ready to go. Now I know some of you might be saying, oh, but 17,500 Rand or $900 is a lot of money. And I completely understand. I felt the exact same way. All right. But imagine learning the skills to earn $900 consistently forever. And all you need to do is just pay for it one time. Imagine that. All right. Because that is basically what you are going to be doing. So let's compare it to the normal way of earning an income, either by getting a job, by having a brick and mortar business, or by having an online business with a one time investment, right? When we get a job, I spent 80,000 Rand. I don't know, maybe you also studied. And how much did you spend? What investment did you make on your fees to study, right? Only after 3 years you can earn an income, all right? You have no time freedom. You have a capped salary. You just get one once off payment at the end of the month. You're probably going to work for 20 to 30 years, and most people do retire broke, unfortunately. Then you get brick and mortar businesses. The minimum investment in a brick and mortar business, and this is one of the cheapest businesses, is about 25,000 Rand, right? In maybe a little bakery business or a little buy and sell business, right, to get started, right? It comes with monthly expenses, right? Petrol, inventory. You spend a lot of time building a business, a lot of effort goes into it. You only get a small percentage of the profits. You start to see good profits only after 5 years, right? Because you're busy paying off whatever, getting back your investment basically, right? And most businesses don't even last long without patience and experience, right? Then you get it done for your business, online business, one time investment, a few hours of dedication a day. You can learn and earn. No long study periods. You can start earning immediately after your system is set up. Now, there's no product creation, no delivery, no hard work. All the hard work is done for you. You get huge 100% profits. I mean, what product can you sell and get $900? Um, you know, clean profit. The skills will last a lifetime. Your business can burn down, you'll be able to rebuild, right? These skills are COVID proof, they are recession proof, this is your business, you the boss, no one can downscale you, all right? Time freedom, financial freedom, and you can earn as soon as a couple of weeks. You don't have to wait 4 years. You don't have to wait a couple of years before you see good profits. You can start earning 100% profits as soon as you get set up. So with that said, let's move on to the next slide. So, how soon can I see my first sale? People love asking that question. Everybody's journey is different, right? It depends on your consistency, your effort, your mindset. Some people see the first results in the first a couple of weeks, others see it in a few months, but that's okay because this is not a get quick rich scheme. If it was, it would be a scam, and this is not a scam, it's a real business, and businesses take time to grow, right? For a real transformation, right? And it's built step by step with a proven system designed for beginners. So ask yourself rather, if in 2 years' time, where do you see yourself? All right. Imagine waking up to daily dollar payments, right? Working from home around your kids, no more guilt, no more stress, no more wondering where is the money going to come from, how is your husband going to manage. You feel confident, you feel capable, and you are finally, you feel free. You can live the life that you want to live, right? Um, because here's the thing, time is going to pass anyway. No matter what you do, time is going to pass. And where you land in 6 months, a year, 2 years from now depends on what you do today. So start sowing the seeds today to reap the benefits tomorrow. Success is not an overnight thing, but it's an overtime thing. And this business will make it come sooner than any other business or any other job on this planet. All right. Um, so yeah, where do you want to arrive? Start planting that seeds today. All right. So, lots of people ask this question: is there space for me? Is this place not saturated? I see digital marketers everywhere. All right. Think about it this way: there's billions of people, and hundreds and thousands of people searching every day for a way to earn extra money, to have extra stream of income, to earn from home, to leave their jobs. The digital product industry is worth 300 billion, and it's growing fast, right? So there is space. It might look saturated, but that is the algorithms, the TikTok algorithms that pushes out that content to you that makes it seem like it's saturated, but it's not. This doesn't even account for all the people that are still going to retire, still going to be retrenched, still going, and the youngsters that's still going to come onto the scene into the marketplace. And those people who don't even know, which is most of the people, don't even know that there's a way to earn money online, right? So that's not even accommodating them. So the space is big, and you need to decide whether you are willing to take your place in it, all right? Either get on board or left behind. The choice is yours, right? Because if you don't jump in, someone else somewhere else will be jumping in, right? And you will make sales. You just need to stick to the plan, show up consistently, because the online space don't need more influencers. They want real people, people just like themselves. So there is room for you. In fact, there's a gap that only you can fill. There's no one that has your experience, your life story, and that uniqueness of you is what's going to attract your ideal customers, people who are more likely to buy from you to you, and they would want to buy from no one else but you. Right. So what if nobody buys from me? Why won't anybody buy from you? All right. Sales have nothing to do with it's not magic, right? Sales come as a result of having the right system, a proven system, and this is exactly what it is, a proven system. Just like a McDonald's or a KFC, they all are successful. Why? There's millions of KFCs and they all make money. Why? Because they all use the same proven system. They cannot change the system because they have tried, tested, and whatever works has proven to work. This is the same thing. It's like buying a little franchise, right? All you need to do is show up consistently. That is all you need to do, right? If you can stay consistent and show up as yourself, there is no reason why you will not get your first sale. It might take a while, but that doesn't matter. Once again, businesses take time. It takes time to grow your following, for people to get to know you, like you, and trust you. But it's more about the proven system and the marketing strategies that you're going to learn. And here's the thing: you have more to gain, all right? By asking or by taking the chance. You have more to gain by taking the chance, all right? You can learn, You will, and you have a chance at freedom, all right? So that's the least that you will walk away from, with some knowledge and a chance of freedom. But by not trying, you are choosing the guarantee that nothing is going to change, right? Nothing is going to change if you don't make a change. Okay, Coke. So the next one is a difficult. People ask me that all the time. All right. Some parts is challenging because it's a new domain, it's a new area, it's new skills that you need to learn. Most of the work is being done for you. So most of the difficult stuff is done. Right? So you have to ask yourself, like, life is kind of hard, what's your life like now? Is life not already hard? I mean, when I looked at my life when I was not too long ago, I mean, it was terrible not being able to help my husband out of the bills. It was hard having to go and pick my child up from school knowing I didn't pay the school fees. It was horrible saying no every time my kids wanted something. That was hard. It was hard not knowing how we're going to pay for all the outstanding bills, right? It was stressful. And life, that was the hard. But this hard does not compare to that type of hard, right? So either way, you can spend your time, getting 1% better and building something, a lifelong freedom, right? Or you can choose to stay stuck, right? Stay in your difficult position that you are in right now, right? You can choose your heart. Let's put it that way, right? This business model takes out most of the hard stuff. Um, it's not magic, but if you give it a few months of focus, you can get a lifetime of freedom out of this. So yes, it does work. Right, definitely does work. Yes, it is a little bit of work, but struggling for the rest of your life is hard work too. Which one are you willing to choose? That is the question. That is the question only you can answer. All right. And don't think that this is not for you or not beyond you. If this is not for you, what is for you? Is struggling for you, right? Because here's the thing: I was a stay-at-home mom of five kids, burnt out and broke teacher. Knew nothing about the online space. I didn't know what the hashtags were. I did not know what the filters were, what stories even meant. Right? If I can do this as a five with five kids, you can do this too, right? You've learned how to be a good mom, and maybe you've even learned how to be good at your job. And you can learn, if you could learn those skills, you can learn how to be a successful business owner as well. It's not too late, you're not too old, you're not too behind. Don't allow your past traumas and failures and present circumstances to define you, because they do not define who you are. They do not define your future and determine your future outcome. All right. You do not have to be perfect. You just need to be willing. You don't have to be stick savvy, only coachable. You don't need to know it all, and you don't need to figure it out on your own. You just need to start. Once you take the first step, the rest of the steps reveal itself. Right? The future version of you is waiting on the other side of that fear, but you have to meet her or him halfway. Right? I think that's fair. Right? I think we answered this already. Why is it again over here? Okay, so what happens when you join, right? Once you've chosen your program, all right? The Launchpad, Daily Pay, Digital Mastery, Legacy, you get immediate access. Once you enroll, immediate access to your program and the community. You can start watching the step-by-step videos. Then you will link your business name and your PayPal to your website, all right? And launch your business, start learning and earning, and get support as you grow and at your pace. You will also receive an email from me, and I will also receive an email from me, um, giving you a couple of freebies and my WhatsApp number so we can keep in contact. Thank you so much for your time and your attention. I know that this was a little bit long, but I hope that this answered all your questions. And if you have any other questions, I'd love to hear from you. You can just respond to this email or email me at info@dailyprofitpathway.com. Have an absolutely fabulous day, and I hope that you enjoyed this course.